You can turn off that overly sensitive forward collision warning on your 2025 hybrid by navigating through your digital driver display or infotainment screen to the driver assistance menu and adjusting the system sensitivity to late or off. Modern hybrids come equipped with highly advanced radar and camera systems designed to prevent accidents. These systems are often set to the highest sensitivity from the factory, which can cause false alarms in heavy traffic or on winding roads. The sudden braking and loud beeping can be more dangerous than helpful in certain driving conditions. Start by turning on your vehicle and keeping it in park. Use the steering wheel controls to scroll to the settings gear icon on your main dashboard screen. From there, locate the Safety or Driver Assistance tab. Select the Forward Collision or Pre-Collision System option. Most 2025 models give you 3 choices: early, medium, and late. Changing this to the late setting will stop the system from panicking over normal driving maneuvers while still keeping you safe in an actual emergency. If you want to disable it completely for a specific trip, you can uncheck the active braking feature or toggle the system entirely off. Keep in mind that turning it completely off usually resets back to the default on state the next time you restart the car. You will need to make this adjustment each time you drive if you prefer the system disabled entirely.